everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I'm a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the maintenance. What is maintenance under various laws? And marriage are considered to be as made in heaven, with the nuptials believed in predetermined by destiny. However, man has ensured that with the course of time this match is fettered, and these legislations govern all the areas revolving around the concept of marriage. And the entire concept of maintenance was introduced so that if there is any spouse who is of economically independent, and then the other spouse would help provide help so that they can live and properly and make their living better. And what is maintenance under the Hindu law? As per the maintenance is concerned, as maintenance is concerned under the Hindu law is the amount payable by the husband to his wife in case she is unable to maintain herself, either during the subsistence of the marriage or upon the separation of divorce. There are various laws which have been applied in the matters of the maintenance of the wife, children, and their dependents, and the acts. These acts fall within the jurisdiction of the family courts. That is the Code of Criminal Procedure, Section 125 and 128, and the Family Courts Act 1984, and Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, Hindu Marriage Act, that is the 1955. And according to Section 3B of the Hindu Adoption and Marriage Act, maintenance includes all the cases providing for food, clothing, residence, education, and medical attendance and the treatment. And in case of unmarried daughters, the reasonable expenses of the indecent to her marriage. For the maintenance is concerned, it can be of temporary maintenance and also of a permanent maintenance. Temporary maintenance is granted by the court during the pendency of the proceeding of the separation or divorce to meet the need of the petitioners. Under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, either of the spouses can be granted the relief if the court is satisfied that the petitioner has no independent income to sustain themselves and to get the necessary expenses of the pending proceeding under the Act. And Section 36 of the Special Marriage Act 1954 provides for the wife to seek the expenses from the husband if the district court is satisfied with the fact that the petitioner does not have an independent income and that is sufficient to support herself to get the necessary expenses of the pending proceeding under the chapter 4, 5 and 6 of the Act. And all these provisions clearly maintain the application for the maintenance, and which has been disposed of within 60 days of the service of the notice of the respondent. Then there comes the permanent maintenance, the maintenance that is granted permanently after the disposal of the proceeding for the separation or the divorce, which is referred as a permanent maintenance. But the maintenance is concerned, this is also mentioned under Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, and there are the provision for the maintenance not only for the wife but also for the children and the parents under this section. And the court might order the husband to have a sufficient income to provide monthly maintenance to his wife, and who does not have the sufficient means to support himself, then however the wife is not entitled to maintain if she is living in adultery, she refuses to cohabitate with the husband without any sufficient reason, and if the husband and the wife are living separately with the mutual consent, then the husband does not have to provide the maintenance to his wife. Guys, this video was all about the maintenance and with the various provisions of under the law. And if you need any information related to it, please to write in a comment section, and please to subscribe the channel Access.